MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. What is more efficient, central air or ductless AC? Ductless systems are possibly more efficient than central air, lowering your energy costs. The disadvantage is the upfront expense. As a smaller alternative, we often think of mini splits. Does a mini split heat and cool? Mini splits are heating and cooling systems that offer temperature adjustment in specific areas. They consist of an outside compressor condenser and an inside air handling unit or unit's evaporator. What is your service area for the Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Cape May Courthouse, Lower Township, Cape May Point, Wildwood, Wildwood Crest, Stone Harbor, Middle Township, Avalon, Seal City, Ocean View, Upper Township, Strathmere, Palermo, Marmora, Beesleys Point, Egg Harbor Township, Northfield, Pleasantville, Atlantic City, Ventnor City, New Jersey. Where is your Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 211 South Main Street, number 103, Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey 08210. Our phone number is 609-388-6764. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/services.